How to get cashback in Google Pay. Want to earn cashback while paying bills or shopping? Let's explore how to use Google Pay offers. So, open the Google Pay app and go to the offers section, and here you'll find current promos for mobile recharges, bill payments, and shopping. Some banks run special cashback campaigns. So, for example, MasterCard users who spend 10,000 via Google Pay can win 10,000 cashback if they're among the top spenders. JCB card holders can earn up to 160 cashback by spending 800 or more on Google Play purchases. So you can also earn cashback by paying utility bills, mobile recharges, or subscriptions through Google Pay. Cashback is credited directly to your linked bank account or card. Always check the offers tab, meet the spending thresholds, and make sure your card is linked on your Google Wallet. Cashback is usually limited to one claim per card or promo period. And that is how to get cashback in Google Pay.